morning, everyone. Today we will go with the exercise yoga, some posture to help both our liver. Help some people already have a fatty liver, it gets better, and for the healthy liver. So since start, just go with the child pose first and relax. Let's stay here. Sit on your heel and lengthening your hand and enjoy the stretching. Just inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And when you exhale, try to exhale longer than inhale. And now slowly, gently walk back. So the first posture we will go is a spine twist. We sit. Now bring the right foot over to the left. And try when you sit, the sitting bone, try to press it on the mat. Don't raise one hip like this. Try to press down on the mat. And from here, inhale, bring the left hand over the head and look up the ceiling. Exhale, slowly twist. You can do. And the right hand put behind and stand up. Try to look at the right side. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, 2 hands up the ceiling, and exhale, release. Now we change side. Bring the right leg flick and left leg over the right leg. Try to sitting bone. Sit on the mat. Don't raise one hip. 2, sit firmly on the mat. And slowly raise the right hand. Inhale. Right hand up the ceiling. And we go. Bring the right elbow to right knee and twist. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly from here. Inhale, right hand up to the ceiling. Exhale down. Let's go. And now please release your leg, stretch it out a bit. And one more time. Bring the right leg over the left leg. And we go with the cow face. Left hand up the ceiling. Inhale and drop between the shoulder and bring the right hand wrap over the left hand and press it down. If you cannot reach your left hand, you can use a towel, wrap it in. You can look straight. Try to sit it on the floor. Yes. Try to maintain and just enjoy the stretching here. 1. Try to open your chest more. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly from here, release your hand and exhale, drop it down. Now we change another side with the same practice. This is second pose, help boost our liver more healthier. Now from here, raise your right hand up to the ceiling, push it between the shoulder, left. Try to don't raise your hip one side like this. Try to sit on the mat firmly and strongly. And slowly press. This cow pose is very good for release the tired from the shoulder. Also help move your liver much better. Stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Release your right hand, release your left hand, and shake it out. Good job. We already do 2 poses. Now we go with another pose. If we go with the both pose, you just lie down on the mat and slowly inhale, exhale. Now we take deep inhale, bring the body up, leg up, the same both like this. Just stay here, pointing the toe. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2. The leg can 45 degrees or 60 degrees also can. Best is 45 degrees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Beautiful. And now we go with the 4 pose. Very easy and simple. We turn the body to down the mat and slowly go with cobra pose. Look up the ceiling, open your chest. Yes. Look up the ceiling, lengthening your spine. Just stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, slowly bring your body, go to downward dog. Press the heel down. Yes. Tuck in your core. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly release, knee down and stay here. Now we go with the last pose. We will go with the bow pose. This bow pose is we try to do after the meal about 4 hours because this one much stress in the stomach. without empty stomach when you just wake up. Bring the two hands, hold the elbow, and slowly push the body up. 1, put higher. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop it down and rest. Open the leg and rest to one side. And slowly push the body, go to child pose. Yes, well done. We are finished the lesson today. And thank you everyone to watching my video. And you see, only with the 6 posture, very simple and easy, we make our liver more healthy every day. And see you in next video.